Hey guys, this is Caleb with Kingdom Horse Trailers in Henderson, North Carolina. And today we're gonna look at this brand new 2026 Shadow. And this is a 3-horse slant load with a tack room. And this is the open slat, open air, stock sides, however you wanna describe it. We're gonna dive in and take a look at this trailer up close. Starting up front, you got a full-size spare tire. This one does have a manual jack, just a normal 7-way plug there for your truck, 2 5/16 coupler, movable pin there that you can adjust your height for your neck, normal chains and breakaway there. Here's a view of that trailer from the other side. This one is gonna have slider windows on both sides of the gooseneck area. You can see that there. You've got a light above the tack room door, a window in the tack room door as well, brush box attached to that, step going into your tack room. This one does have a solid wall, bridle hooks, saddle racks, and the step that you can get up on this carpeted gooseneck area. Shadows are fully aluminum. This is going to be 16.5-foot trailer on the floor, 6'9" wide, 7.5 foot tall. Now in the horse area, it's got these open stock sides, as well as on your one-piece rear door. And I'll show you. They are pre-railed for Plexi inserts, so you can see right there. And I'll move around and show you on this other side as well. Here's that trailer from the back. You do have a load light up there to help you if you're loading in the dark. I'll show you these rails one more time. So they are pre-railed for Plexi inserts. You can get them cut to fit those dimensions and slide it through on your cold or rainy days. And that makes this trailer enclosed. Inside the horse area, we do have rubber mats end to end, and then we've got a YellaWood floor underneath. That's going to be a 20-year warranty on that floor. Lights in the horse area, one-hand slam latches on both dividers. Plenty of room in this trailer. Here's a look from the rear. On this would be the driver's side of your truck. Again, this trailer is available now here at Kingdom Horse Trailers in Henderson, North Carolina. Check out our website, nchorsetrailers.com, for pictures, specs, pricing on all of our available inventory that we have right now. If you're interested, reach out to me, give me a call at 443-528-3559, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.
Call Caleb at Kingdom Horse Trailers, Henderson, North Carolina.